Good morning. Welcome to 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some continued very mild conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures already in the mid-upper 50s. I'm going to see those temperatures warm today in the lower 60s. We'll see some slightly breezy winds this morning and continuing into early afternoon hours, and then we'll see those winds are kind of light and variable overnight. We'll continue to see well above average temperatures through the end of the year. Once we move into tomorrow and as well into Wednesday, going to see some more unsettled conditions across the region. So transition day for the last day of the year for tomorrow, New Year's Eve, seeing some showers and even a possible thunderstorm later in the day. And then for Wednesday, for New Year's Day, we're going to see some windy conditions, some cooler temperatures, and wind gusts possibly gusting as high as 45 miles an hour. So we get some good conditions today and then more unsettled the next 2 days. Just looking at our current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure off to our north and west, and a cold front that's going to be continuing to move through the region. This was at 9Z, so 5 a.m. this morning, but this cold front has continued to move off the coast, and we'll continue to see a weak area high pressure build in for later this afternoon, and then we'll see additional system, as I mentioned, move through for tomorrow. So looking at our current observation, a few clouds at 1500, a few clouds at 8500. Our winds out of the southwest at 7 knots, temperature 56 degrees, and relative humidity around 85%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we have some clouds off to our north and to our west, but overall across the area, mostly sunny skies currently. Lots of sunshine with those mild conditions, so a great start to the day for late December. And looking at our HERM model for today, you can see just a little bit of cloud cover this morning, mainly sunny for this afternoon, and seeing a little bit of clouds build in for the overnight hours, possibly seeing some patchy fog tomorrow morning with those light winds. And look at the 3-kilometer NAM and the system moving through for tomorrow afternoon. The evening hours is at noon, and moving into the afternoon hours, this is at 3 p.m. or 1500 local, 1600 local or 4 p.m. Seeing those showers move through, even an isolated thunderstorm possible. Most of that activity will move through before midnight, mostly before 10 o'clock. Looking at those showers possible for tomorrow afternoon, even isolated thunderstorm, and continuing with those isolated showers for the evening hours for tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, we'll just see some breezy conditions with, in general, dry weather across the region, a good amount of cloud cover, some cooler temperatures across the region for New Year's Day. So looking at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board, we'll see the slightly breezy winds gusting up 21 knots. Had a brief gust around 25 knots this morning, but haven't seen that once again for continuing to the current time period. So we'll see those winds below wind advisory criteria for today. Very outside chance that we see something near 25 knots for later this morning to the afternoon hours. Our high today around 63, low tonight around 40. Overall, as I mentioned, we'll have a green chart across the board. Slight chance we see some patchy fog tomorrow morning, but most likely not going to see that across the region. Our terminal forecast, VFR conditions next 24 hours, unless we do see that lower ceiling or reduced visibility with the patchy fog for tomorrow morning, but overall, as I mentioned, most likely won't see it. And we'll see some filtered sunshine by tomorrow morning, just a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the region. Our tides are currently normal. Looking at Tuesday and a Wednesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy in the morning. It's a good morning for Tuesday, then becoming mostly cloudy, overcast, chance of showers, and I mentioned slight chance of a better thunderstorm. Slightly breezy by afternoon, a high of 59 degrees. Tuesday night, chance of a lingering shower, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm during the evening, becoming mostly cloudy, breezy overnight, low of 46. And for Wednesday, we'll see mostly to partly cloudy skies, windy conditions for New Year's Day, wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour possible, a high of only 53, so back towards more seasonable averages for Wednesday. We see a few days of very warm temperatures across the region. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, looking like 7 days.